What is up, everybody? Today we actually got a bit of bad news. I finally found the fourth brake light that I was trying to match with my taillights that I had ordered back in May. But now that I got the brake light, I see that they actually sent me the wrong one. They sent me the smoke one, and when I ordered the clear one, good thing that I emailed them and they are working on it right now. But let's see what they look like. So this is the tail light, and as you can see, this is the smoke one. Because of the tail lights I ordered, they would match perfectly with those and it'll be a nice set. But these basically look like the ones I got right now, except that this is just red. By the way, guys, this here is Rocky.
My name is Jeff.
He is my little ugly little pup. Give me a hand. Hey, good boy. But anyways, you guys, I'm just waiting on their reply to see what's gonna happen next, if I'm gonna ship this back so they can ship me the new one. So in the meantime, I'm gonna head to AutoZone right now. We are gonna get ourselves a small torque wrench because I actually decided, you know what? Let's pick all the leg lug nuts. So I decided, you know what? Let's put all the red lug nuts on the car, and maybe it'll look better. So let's head to AutoZone right now. Okay, so we just made it to AutoZone, so let's go get our torque wrench so we can get right to work. Made it just in time, boys. Look at this. 0 gas. But we made it. Had to put 25 because I am currently on a budget right now. Let's head home and let's try this out. I'll see you there. Okay. Stepping inside the car because it's a little noisy outside, but we just got back from AutoZone. We are not home and we got it. It took me a while to do this. I should have done this since the start, but I did not. The problem was that when we installed the lug nuts, we saved one, which is the lock key, but now I got kind of tired of it. I just want to do them all red, and for that wheel lock to come out, I had to use this, which I did not have anything to use it with. But now we finally bought a torque wrench, and I also bought an extension, which is this, so that this connects to that, this goes in there, black. Bam! Now we got the extension and the nut. Now we can take the wheel lock off. The next day. What is up, you guys? Today has been a very busy day, and I just want to update you guys. I did get my fourth brake light, the correct one this time, and we also received our, you ready? Our roof visor. So we're gonna try and install both of these today. We're also gonna change the rest of the lug nuts. Last time I filmed, that was another day. Today's a new day. I just got tired that day and I just stopped. But today we're gonna try and do everything. We're gonna see how it goes, and I'll see you guys after. By the way, since we already did those videos, I'm just gonna show the updated versions. But yeah, yeah. Let's get to it. Okay, so to update you guys, we did change all the lug nuts now, and we put on the rear roof visor. What we didn't do was change the fourth brake light, and I actually had a better thought. Since I'm getting tail lights anyways, they may come with their own harness, so instead of rewiring these to the tail lights I have now, then taking them off and rewiring again to the new ones, I'm just gonna hold off on those and like just wait until I get my actual taillights, and we'll do the whole complete setup. Hopefully you guys still enjoyed the video. At least we got the roof spoiler on our car, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.